The BritaPlus water filter is a high-quality replacement filter designed specifically for pitchers and dispensers. Crafted from durable plastic, this filter ensures long-lasting performance and reliability. One of the key features of this product is its material. Made from high-density plastic, the filter is both sturdy and resistant to breakage. This ensures that it can withstand regular use without compromising its effectiveness. Additionally, the plastic material is BPA-free, making it safe for regular consumption. In terms of dimensions, the filter measures 7.25 inches in diameter, 2.41 inches in width, and 5.5 inches in height. These dimensions make it compatible with a wide range of pitchers and dispensers, providing you with flexibility and convenience when choosing your preferred water container. Weighing only 13.44 ounces, the BritaPlus water filter is lightweight and easy to handle. Its compact design allows for hassle-free installation and removal, making it suitable